Well, good morning. It is Monday, the 3rd of December. A lot of news over the weekend, but the main news is that on Saturday at dinner in Argentina at the G20 meeting, the dinner between the U.S. and China has led to an agreement to a sort of ceasefire of the trade wars. And part of that is an agreement for China to, and of course the different parts of this, but the thing that we care about is that there's an agreement on China's part to buy, as the administration has used this word, to buy substantially more agricultural products from the U.S. Well, that's been taken in a positive way, but more of the details or a press conference to announce this will not take place until after President Bush's funeral, out of respect for his family. So the reaction is strong, but maybe in some cases, specifically soybeans, not as strong as you might think, but certainly it has been strong, as strong as you might think in cotton. So we'll take a look at that. We've got the March cotton up 228 at 81.19, now 81.21, up 230. The high is 81.85. The low is 79.91. Now, that high is really close to limit up, if it's not limit up. It was made last night, but then it's drifted back a little bit from it overnight. The soybeans, a little bit of a surprise. This should have been the market that had the greatest reaction. Is up 15.5. It's trading at 9.10 and a quarter in January beans. A high of 9.23 and 3/4, a low of 9.09. Corn up 3 1/4 at 3.69 and 3/4, a high of 3.74, a low of 3.69.5. Wheat up 6 3/4 at 5.22.5, high of 5.25 1/4, low of 5.21. Now it appears, and I don't know this for sure, that perhaps the grain markets are looking for more of the details of what this is going to mean, and as those come forward, perhaps then the grain markets will have the reaction everybody thinks. Cotton seems to be jumping into it with a little more faith of the fact that substantial means a lot, and that will be supportive for, at least in the case of cotton prices. I think it's going to catch up in grains, and we're going to be, I would think, at least $1 higher than this down the road when all this comes to pass. Looking around the Asian stock market, the European stock market, all higher and quite a bit higher. The U.S. stock market is not open, but the S&P Futures Index is up 41.2. That is a very big jump, so that at 8:30 Central Time when stocks open, look forward to a very big move there. That should in turn feed into everything else and give everything a further boost. As far as the calendar goes, today we have construction spending at 9 o'clock, ISM Manufacturing Index at 9 o'clock. Now, there's already been an announcement that the stock markets will be closed on Wednesday because of that's the day of the funeral for Bush. That will be a day of mourning, and they've already announced that would be closed. I've not seen the details on the commodity markets. I'm assuming they'll be closed, but I don't know that for sure. We'll let you know that as soon as we hear it. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.